Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on running a full hierarchical static timing analysis, or STA, on Caravel with our design integrated in it. Before we start, please make sure that you have created a repository, clone, and run setup on your environment, already developed the timer's RTL, integrated the design in the user project wrapper, and completed physical implementation successfully as in the previous videos. Now, as per the documentation at GitHub Efabless Caravel User Project Quick Start, we only need to run the following commands to run a full hierarchical STA on Caravel with our user project wrapper inside it. So we can copy make extract parasitics, paste it, then add a semicolon. Then copy make create spef mapping, paste it, and add a semicolon. And lastly, copy make Caravel STA and leave it and let the command run. Basically, make extract parasitics does parasitic extraction on the layout. Make create spef mapping maps the extracted spefs to its corresponding macros. And make STA will do the static timing analysis on Caravel with our project integrated. After running these commands, the results are complete and there are no violations. For further investigation of the STA results, look under signoff/Caravel and check for each timing corner report. That completes this tutorial on running a full hierarchical STA on Caravel while including our design. For more information regarding static timing analysis, check the link in the description below.